Ever wondered why sending Bitcoin costs money, or why the fee changes every single time? Let me break it down for you. Super simple. Picture Bitcoin as a digital highway. Every transaction, that's a car trying to get to its destination. But this highway isn't endless. There's only so much space in each Bitcoin block. Think of it like only a handful of cars fitting onto a busy bridge. So how do you make sure your car, or transaction, gets across quicker? You pay a toll. That toll is your Bitcoin transaction fee. Why does the fee sometimes shoot up? Well, when lots of people are sending Bitcoin, like during a bull market, the bridge gets jammed. Miners, the folks who process these transactions, pick the cars with the highest tolls first. It's like bidding extra for a taxi when it's pouring rain. Now, who pockets these fees? The miners do. It's their reward for keeping the network running smoothly. And here's a cool part. You can actually adjust your fee in most wallets. Not in a rush? Pay less and chill. Want to get there ASAP? Pay more and skip ahead. Will fees always work like this? As new Bitcoins become rarer, these fees will matter even more. They'll keep the whole system ticking. So, Bitcoin fees, not just a random charge, they're what keeps the whole thing fair and secure. Now I want to know, would you pay extra to get your transaction through faster or wait it out? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if this made Bitcoin a bit clearer. Check the description for more help.